Let me show you how to create this halftone text effect in Photoshop. First of all, let's create a new document. You can keep the size according to your wish. I am keeping it 1920 by 1080 pixels. So here is my new document. So by selecting the text tool, I am going to type something. Let's type dots dots. For this tutorial, I am using impact font. You can use any font. Make sure that it is bold font so that it looks good. So let's increase the size of this font like this. I think this must be okay. Now right click the text layer and go to blending options. Then go to gradient overlay and change the gradient color to basic from black to white like this. Make sure you have set the angle to 90 degree and let's keep it like this. Click OK. Now convert this into a smart object. Now on your keyboard, press Ctrl Shift Alt and E to merge all the layers, all the visible layers. So here we have. Now let's convert this to a smart object. After converting it to a smart object, go to Filter, Pixelate and Color Halftone. Set every channel to 0 and radius to 8 or any number you like. This radius will determine the size of the pixel that we are going to show in halftone. So click on OK. So here is our halftone effect. Now hide the below layer and right click the top layer. Go to blending options and slide this slider to from right to left like this. I think this much will be okay. Click on OK. Again right click the layer and convert to smart object. Again go to blending options and let's put a nice color. So I am putting the background color as something oranges. Here we have, let's keep a little bit like this and again change the white color to something red. So here it is. Click on OK. Now under this layer, let's create a solid layer and make this as a background. Let's create something dark blue. So here is our color halftone effect.